We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. It never gets old when someone posts these type of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.